How to fix if you cannot change the storefront information for your account. If you're unable to change the storefront information for your account, try these steps. First, check permissions. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions or privileges to modify storefront information. Some platforms or systems may require certain roles or access levels. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve issues with accessing or modifying account settings. Try a different browser or device. Switch to a different web browser or device to see if the issue persists. It could be a compatibility issue with your current setup. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to customer support or technical support for the platform or service you're using. They can provide specific guidance or troubleshoot the issue further. Check for platform updates. Ensure that the platform or service you're using is up to date. Sometimes, updates include bug fixes or improvements that could address issues with account settings. Verify account ownership. Confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account and that there are no security restrictions preventing changes to storefront information. Verify account ownership. Confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account and that there are no security restrictions preventing changes to storefront information. Review platform documentation. Look for documentation or help guides provided by the platform or service. They may contain troubleshooting steps or specific instructions for modifying storefront information. Consider third-party solutions. If the storefront is part of an e-commerce platform, consider using third-party apps or integrations that may offer alternative ways to manage storefront information. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the issue with changing storefront information for your account. Thank you so much for watching.